Turn this motherfucking game on. This game like it's a movie. LAO Volume 1.
PS4, 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 PS4. You niggas playing games? Like PS4, 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 PS4. I play them hoes. Like PS4, like PS4, 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 PS4. You niggas playing games? Like PS4, like PS4. I play them hoes. Like PS4. You niggas playing games, but my life's a movie. We can shoot it out, nigga, just like Call of Duty. When it's beef time, fuck boy, it ain't no stopping me. I put that 9 to your brain, that's what I call technology. Playing the women, I never go quit, and I slam on the haters, some wrestling with shit. Man, you cannot be me, I'm the best at this shit. Lying head on my chain, like taking this shit. You can't play like me, cause you ain't got no skills. Man, this shit real, every day is just like Battlefield. Better watch it, help I'm making pussy niggas bleed. Then I got a skirt off just like Need for Speed. And I got first place, yeah, ho, I got the lead. And I got good game, man, I ain't gotta cheat. Man, get it how you live it, homie, ride until you die. Getting money is the mission, just like GTA 5. My goons don't play all them games, okay, maybe when we bored, but I will hang your pussy ass from the brand new chords on my PS4, 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 PS4. You niggas playing games? Like PS4, PS4.